The Setup Booking Preferences page is where the company can define standard settings for the appointment book. To navigate to the Setup Booking Preferences page, simply click on the navigation menu in the upper left. Then click Setup, then Setup Booking Preferences. The booking interval is the number of minutes in between line breaks on the calendar. The most commonly used booking intervals are 15, 20, 30, or 60 minutes. If the visit type required checkbox is enabled, users will be required to select a visit type when booking an appointment. The visit types can be customized in Setup Client Card Preferences. If the Allow Express Booking Without Client Name checkbox is enabled, a client can be scheduled by a worker without capturing a client name or any contact info. The Find Appointment Max Number of Availabilities number will identify the total number of appointment availabilities listed when using the Find Appointment feature on the appointment book. The Display Availabilities options are to list the appointment search results in chronological order or by ranking order. The Chronologically option will display the availabilities by time such as 9 a.m., 9, 15 a.m., 9:30 a.m., whereas the ranking order will show the best available first. The Appointment Status key on the right is a reference tool for the appointment status bar that appears on each appointment.